If you're promoting with organic traffic, this video is for you, like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or Quora. In this video guys, I'm going to show you never seen before method, very easy, beginner friendly for ClickBank, one of the most efficient way of promoting ClickBank products with 3 steps. So the number 1 step is guys, selecting the product from the marketplace, and the number 2 step is using this tool called Canva. You know about Canva, you're creating videos, social media posts to promote your affiliate products. No, I'm not talking about that. Using this same tool guys, no new tool, I'm going to show you completely different approach to promote your ClickBank product. Most efficient way of getting the sales. So if you're first time here guys, subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. You can check my playlist, free traffic or paid traffic. Definitely it is going to help you in your affiliate marketing business in 2022. And give the thumbs up to this guys, because nobody is doing this method guys. You're the first person who is going to see this. I'm also using this method from a long time and I'm getting good amazing results. So here we are in the marketplace of ClickBank. We will quickly select a product, for example like Java bun. For this tutorial purpose guys, we'll select this one here. This works in any niche guys, so here I'm just taking Java bun as an example. Okay, so this is one of the best selling product right now, right? Gravity, you can say 630, and on an average you can make guys $116. That's an average conversion there. Okay, and initial conversion also, right? $116 you can create. That will go up and down, that depend upon, right, what stock they're buying. Okay, so you can check in their affiliate page. Here you can have all this information, right? How to promote and not. And this is their video sales letter. Okay, so we will take this link. We'll come back here. I'm just taking as an example here. Now the second step is guys, using the Canva. If you don't know about the Canva guys, Canva will help you to create all your social media posts. It will also going to help you to create videos, images to share in Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, in any social media platform guys. So right now we will come here in the template. Now this is really important guys. You have to stay attention here and you have to focus here. So here you can see you have a social media, you have personal, business and marketing. Under this marketing guys, you have this poster, flyers and infography. Now this is the thing which we're gonna use, right? That is infography. If you click here guys, hope you know infography is one of the highest selling marketing content, right? If you create in infography, you will get more attention, engagement, and you can share more valuable things about your offer or the content in a small piece of this one page. That I'm going to show you second how to create it guys. This is everything, so stay attention over here guys. So here you can see there are many, right? Look at the 6 benefit of garlic, high protein food, the best health app. All these things are here. Okay, you can start with a blank, or you can start with just simply this template which is given here. Okay, you can click here, just simply here, and then you will say customize this template. So here you can see this guys, this is the infographic we have selected. If you want, you can change from here guys. More attractive you make, more click you're gonna get. That I'm going to show you in a second. So this is the place you have to really focus so that you can create very attractive. And don't worry, you don't need to write the content, you just have to copy and paste. Okay, so once if you get your model, for example this is your model. Okay, so what you have to do is guys, Google it and just type here in the Google coffee for weight loss, because our product is all about coffee guys. If you promoted this offer, you must promote this offer because this convert very good. This is an add-on guys. Remember one thing, anything in weight loss or health industry, right, in health product, if it is an add-on or kind of an extension, that convert like a crazy guys, and you can promote in any time guys in the tier 1 country. So this is an ingredient which you add in your coffee, any kinds of coffee. So it's all about coffee for weight loss. Look at this, 5 amazing way coffee speed up your weight loss. Okay, 6 coffee habits, 5 reason. Open this, another tab guys. Look at this, they have given the different reason. Drink your coffee black. So many different points are there guys. Do not use coffee as a meal replacement. So many points are there. Look at this one here. Here is how black coffee may help in weight loss. Everything is given here in the point, guys. Just recreate this point, insert this point like a number one, and change your images whenever you need it here. If you go to element section, guys, you're going to get many images here. Look at the symbols, right? Look at this weight loss thing you can give from here. You can create really attractive images like this. So now, to save your time, let me show you which I already created and promoting it. 5 reasons why you should drink black coffee for weight loss. So I've given the calories in black coffee, I have explained them, I've given the images. Guys, images are very important. You must give images in infography. Okay, relevant images, right? Boost your metabolism, right? Black coffee may help you to control your sudden hunger, decrease water content in your body. Okay, so once if you created whatever the offer you're promoting, now here comes to insert the affiliate link. This is really new, nobody is doing, guys. So you will get into here and you will select like promote, you will get your affiliate links from here. Now if you make the little bit big here, you can see you can insert the text like watch a new secret video on how to supercharge morning coffee to lose weight by enhancing metabolism. So here you can see I already given a link. So you can click select this text, guys, and go here in the 3 dots and look at this here, links. Okay, just replace this link, look at this one here, and you have inserted the affiliate link here. That's it, you have the link here. And then, guys, again I have given the point, and in the bottom, guys, amazing 10-minute coffee routine for weight loss. Again I have given the affiliate link. You can select like this here, simple, guys. Go in the 3 dots, select here and replace the link which I have already given here. Okay, just very simple. Give only 2 links, guys, not more than that. Okay, one in the middle somewhere and the second at the bottom according to your product. And do not give many points also, keep it 5 to 7 points, that is enough. So this is done, guys, and once it is done, here you can see you will get the option of the inside. Click here. Now if you click here, guys, share, you will get shareable link. You have 3 options: share a link to edit, share a link use as a template. Guys, do not use this one, select this one, link to view. Now click this link, guys. Now your infography is almost ready. Go and test here, guys, whether it's working or not. Look at this, whenever you give this link, nobody can edit this link, guys, and now they will read the infography. And look at this one here, if I click, guys, you can see the link. If I click over here, it will take them directly to the video sales letter of the Java one. Okay, look at this one here. So if they buy, you'll make the average conversion. And also one of the bonus thing is, guys, here you can see inside, you can see how many people are clicking, right? Views. If you want, you can directly promote here in the social media from here, right? Look at this. If you want to promote in the Twitter, Twitter is an amazing platform. Connect your Twitter and you can promote here. Okay, just very, and they will show you the impression, the clicks, the reaction, the engagement, everything you can see over here. So let me show you one of the statistics. This video I have promoted with Facebook just now. So here you can see the inside, you can see the views, viewers, right? How many people has made the click. And I have not promoted with social media here. Okay, just simply took the link and I promoted. You can see the track of all of this thing. If you are promoting directly to the social media, guys, use bit.ly to shorten that link. And now when it comes to the last step is promoting in your Facebook group, or, guys, Instagram. You can promote with Pinterest, guys. You can also promote with the Quora after writing the content. I already have a video for that. You can create a simple images like this, and if you already have the audience, you can promote in Instagram. You can also promote, right, in a social media, right? And you can give that bit.ly link. Okay, bit.ly link will be a smaller link. That's why nobody is using, guys. Unseen, very effective. You'll get definitely conversion. So hope you got the value from this, guys. You learned a unseen method. Now this is the time to take action. If you like this method, guys, give the thumbs up to this video and do not forget to subscribe. And before you go, guys, I have many strategies and methods like this. You can watch this playlist completely free, and you have to select 1 or 2 methods, guys. You have to test that method for a longer time, guys. Okay, so this playlist will definitely going to help you. Meet you in the next video, guys.